My very first project in Extension was a kombucha toolkit that we developed back in 2024. This toolkit basically helped Extension agents across Georgia provide community workshops for people who were interested in fermenting kombucha at home.
So the process for choosing interns, the first thing that I look at is their passion and motivation. If you have that and you're willing to learn, that's all it takes.
As a student, we don't get the opportunity to interact with a diverse range of audiences. So this internship will allow you to translate that science into non-technical information.
We have a really good team in place at UGA Extension that will support you and will guide you through the process of what we do in Extension and what are the things that we are trying to do to bridge, to create this bridge between university and communities.
As a scientist, it's incredibly rewarding when we spend hours in the lab working on answering a particular question, and we finally find the answer to that. We go back to the community, and the smile that we see on their face, it just brings me joy. And I want to be able to continue doing that in even my future job.
If you have the opportunity to apply for an internship and do an internship in Extension, and your future goal is to continue in public service and outreach, definitely do that.
Through the research that we do, if we're even able to prevent one foodball illness out there, that would mean the world to us.